The question says, show the area of parallelogram, I have written in short for you, having the diagonals 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap and I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap is 5 root 3. So, you have to find out the area, and that area should be equal to 5 root 3 square units. So, what is the formula of the area of parallelogram when we talk about vectors? I can compute the area of parallelogram by the formula of half modulus of A cross B, where A and B individually are the diagonals. So, the first diagonal is given to you and the second diagonal is given to you. So, if you put the A cross B, this is A, this is B, if you take the vector product and then put here, then definitely this will give you an answer. So, first of all, before finding the magnitude, you have to find A cross B. So, let us find out A cross B. So, what is A cross B like? I have to basically find the cross product of 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, the cross product of this first vector with I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. So, this has to be done by the determinants method, that is the short trick. So, since it is the first question, let me explain you from the very basic. So, what you will do is you will write individually the unit vectors which are participating, that means I cap, j cap, k cap, and in the order, the first thing, the second thing, please mention which order you are talking about. So, if it is A cross B, the first vector is A, the second vector is B. If it is B cross A, the first vector is B, the second vector is A. Now, this has the coefficient 3, J has the coefficient 1, K has the coefficient minus 2, that means you have to take care of the sign as well. Talking about the second vector, coefficient 1 minus 3, 4, so 1 minus 3, 4, this has to be done. Now, A cross B is what? Just as we solve the determinants, we are going to solve this. So, keep the I cap outside, you know about the determinants, leave these two things. So, 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Then, since it is the second thing, cofactors you have to take. So, j cap you are taking, leave the second row, leave the second column, leave the first row. 12 plus 2 is 14 plus k cap. K cap means minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10. So, what is the answer to A cross B? So, A cross B is equal to minus 2i minus 14j then minus 10k. But A cross B only was not needed because we need the mod of A cross B. So, what is the mod of A cross B? It is nothing but the magnitude. So, it is under root 2 square which is 4, 14 square which is 196, 10 square which is 100. So, it is under root 300 because 196 plus 100 is 296, 296 plus 4 is 300. So, mod A cross B is 300. Now, you have to find out the area. So, you have to put this knowledge in equation number 1. So, put in 1. So, area of parallelogram is equal to half of mod A cross B. So, it is half of under root 300. Now, under root 300 is what? Root 100 into 3. Now, root 100 is basically 10. So, 10 upon 2 is 5. So, it is 5 root 3 square units, and that should be the answer to this question. So, now you know the area of the parallelogram can be found out by the simple formula which uses cross product.